Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my facial. Like, this is not the lengthy facial, it's a simple two-way facial. I will just do cleansing and I will make up face mask, which is very much easy because this facial is especially for the people who don't get time, because I usually think that when I don't get time, what I do, so in that case there are lots of people who used to go for work, who used to do many things at home, who don't get time. Like, their schedule is very busy. For those people, I have bring out a new DIY face cleanser and also face pack. So guys, we should not waste our time. Let's just get into the video and I'll show you the easiest way of applying facial.
Try to break me like a curse, that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted I'm a haunted house. A haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted I'm a haunted house. Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn around. Wouldn't be the first to try to burn me down. Your move, you do. Would you love me at my worst? Till the coffins in the dirt try to break me like a curse. That will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted I'm a haunted house. A haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted I'm a haunted house. Could you love a haunted house?